Okay, let's talk about how to submit a photo in an assignment in ItsLearning. There's lots of places you can go to find your assignments. You can go to Overview and scroll down. You can go to Plans and you can go to Resources. Just for speed, I'm going to go to Resources, and you're going to have a tree here on the left. I'm going to click here. These are all assignments where work needs to be turned in. I'm going to click on this one, and hopefully something will come up. Okay, tells me what the assignment is. I'm going to do the assignment. Then I'm going to come down here to the green answer assignment box. I'm going to click on that. Now, you do not want to add your files here. What you're going to do is sometimes it will look like this, and you'll have to click on more options. Sometimes it will look like this. You're going to go to this image where it says, you hover over it and it says image. That's where you're going to click to put in a photo. You're going to go to upload and insert. You're going to choose your file. So you probably want to know where your file is before you start. Here's my drawing. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click upload and insert. And it takes a minute. It may not pop up right away. When it pops up in this box, then you know it's done and it's loaded. If nothing pops up, then you need to redo this. On a phone, you're going to have a button that's green that says OK, and then you're going to have the submit button. So you're going to have to click on two green buttons. But on a computer, all you have to do is click the submit button, and this is what's going to pop up. Your answer is not corrected. That means that I, as your teacher, have not gone in and corrected it. It's got that it was submitted, the date and the time, and by who submitted it. And that's all you need to do. Now it's submitted. Now, if you've gotten it wrong, I'm going to start doing a setting over here on the side that allows you to make 2 attempts. But if for some reason it doesn't have that, you can always ask me to delete your submission and you can resubmit it. Okay? Thank you so much.